So far, we're done with room model, we're done with room controllers, and now we're going to work on room views. This is a long video because we're going to be HTML code for several pages. I really want you to type the code along with me to get a feeling of building your own project. But if you just want to speed up or you don't want to make a mistake by chance, you can download the source code of this video down below. Alright, first, let's create the view for the host to create a room. I'll just close this one and open F, views, rooms, and new.html.erb. First, I'm going to remove everything here and just create a type, panel, and panel head. So start with panel default. Under that, we got div, panel heading, and here we just say create your beautiful place. All right, under here we got div panel body. Inside this one we got div container. Okay, so here we're going to pass a form, and we got the form for and pass object room, and we say do F, and don't forget the closing form. Now inside here, first I'm going to create a row, new row, and let's say md4 dot select. We don't have the class select yet, but we're going to create a new class in the next video. This one is from group, and for here we got the label, let's say, oops, let's say home type, and then under that we got f.select, and we got home type. Here we got an array of apartment, and this one, the value is apartment. I'm gonna copy this, copy, and this one is gonna be house. So the first one is for displaying, and the second one is the real values when the user selects that option. And this one, let's say bed and breakfast. Bed and breakfast. We can make a break here, and I'm going to say for the ID, make sure that you got the commas at the end. So here we got ID, and say home type, and we got a prompt, let's say select, and of course the class is going to be form control. Alright, so I'm going to copy from here, so this one is not home type, is room type, and we change this one to room type, and the first one is entire, this one is private, and this one is shared. The ID we got room type select from control, yeah, and the third option is accommodate. Alright, so here's we got want, and this one is 1, 2, 2, and this one is 3. Oops, this one it's a string, and the last one is a number. Okay, and so on, and we can make it something like this for plus, and let's say for. And for this one, of course, we got accommodate from select. Yep. Okay, then we get another two, and this one is bedrooms. Bedroom. Similar thing. This one ID is bedroom. This one is bathroom. Alright, bathrooms and bathroom. And once we done that, inside here, which is straight, and then we got the f.submit. We say save, and the class is going to be btn and btn normal. Or maybe you can say Chris my room. Alright, save it. Okay, now if you go to your web browser and make sure that you log in as Tony Stack, and we can say rooms, new, hit enter. Okay, so looks like we got an error. If you got this error, so that's mean you got something wrong with the rooms controller's name. So let's go back here and open controllers, room controller. Okay, I can see that what's went wrong. So first we need to rename this one to rooms controller, hit enter. And also this class is rooms controller, hit save. Remember that Rails is about convention, so make sure that you got this right. I think the reason is because, let's go to terminal. Let's scroll on up here. Alright, so in the first place, when you say Rails generate controller rooms, I think I made a mistake. I should have rooms with S here. Alright, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so hit refresh. Okay, we still got it missing because this one is need to be room. So F views rooms, hit enter. Alright, hit refresh. Okay, now there is another different error, accommodate. Alright, just a typo mistake. No problem. We're going to fix that once. Accommodate. Alright, save the file. Hit refresh. Bathroom. Okay. Now, as you can see, when you type in, you made a lot of mistake, which is good thing, right? Rather than just copy and paste, so you don't know what went wrong. I like it do it that way, so hit save. Here we go. Finally. Alright, so here is our rooms new page. So first you're gonna select things, and then you create my room, which is gonna create your room in the database. We're not gonna talk about that, but first I just want to show you what it looks like in the interface. Let's go back here. Let's close everything. So now we need to create a sidebar menu. Alright, it's gonna be around here. So let's go back to view, rooms, create a new partial view, name room menu.html.erb. So from here, first I'm going to say ul, class is going to be sidebar link. Under here we got a class, let's say li sidebar item. Alright, so inside here I just got a link to, first it's going to be listing, and that's going to be listing room path, and class sidebar link, and it's going to be active. And we're going to do the same thing with the other, so just copy we need 6 items. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and the next thing is pricing, and this one is going to be pricing room path pricing. If you're not sure about those paths, you can go back to the terminal and remember that before. I just show you this one. Just run Rails browse and it will display all the path for you. So for example, room listing is going to be listing room path, pricing room path, and so on. All right, and then we got the description. This one is going to be description room path, and then photos. This one is going to be photo upload room path, and amenities is amenities, and the last one is location certified. Next, we're going to start with the photo upload first because that's the most simplest one. So just open this one, remove everything. I'm going to create new ones, new row, div, columns, MD3 and MD9. Alright, so we divide 2 columns, and first one we say render room menu. Alright, because they the partial view and this photo upload page under the same folders. Alright, so that's why you can code directly like this. On the other side, for this one, just create div panel default. Under that, we got div panel heading. Inside the panel heading, we say photos, and for the div panel body. And inside here, of course, we just create a container. And then we got another row. Alright, just make it right so easy to read. Alright, so inside row, let's create something like co md offset 3 and co md6. Alright, and I'll just make a comment here. Let's say photos uploads goes here. All right, and actually I'm going to copy this one, copy and open the listing.html.erb, paste it here. We just remove this one, we just keep a container, and this one is going to be like a listing. Alright, so one more thing. Here I'm going to create a form. We say form for add room, do F, and the end tag, just like that. Okay, this is going to be very general structure, and that's going to apply to other pages. So I'm just copy this one, and let's say open amenity, paste here, change this one to amenities. All right, save, description. Oops, make sure that I just copy this one, paste here. This one is a description. Index, that's fine. Listing, we already got it. Location, yep. This one change location. Pricing, this one pricing. Yep, I think that's it. Now let's go back to our listing under the form. Well, actually, just go back to the room, and I'm gonna copy everything here. Copy the whole form and replace it here. All right, that's for the listing. Save it, and this one we change to save. So we're done with listing. We're done with photo upload, because right now we don't need to worry about the photos. And we're done with room. We're done with listing. Let's start with the location. So inside the form, I'm gonna say div row. Inside this one, we got another div form group, and then we got a label. Here we say address, and then we got f text field, address, placeholder. It's gonna be what is your address. The class is gonna be form control. Right, and then another div with text center, and here we got the f dot submit. The text should be safe, and the class is going to be btn form. Okay, cool. This should be similar to pricing, so I'm going to copy. Let's copy from the whole form here. Copy. For the pricing, you just replace this one, and this one is say price. This one change to price, and this one, let's say placeholder. Save. Yep. Now be careful when you just using copy and paste. Make sure that you change the fields after you paste it. Alright, so pricing we done, and amenity, well, description is a bit similar, so let's copy and change this one. So first we change this one to listing name, and this one is going to be listing name. Alright, and copy, create another row. This one is going to be summary. This one is text area. The field is summary. Placeholder. Let's say summary of your house. This one is what is your listing name. Something like that. And for this text area, let's say rows, we say 5. Right. Yep. So close out. We're done with location. Close out. We're done with new. Yep. And now is amenities. So inside the form, let's say div row dot form group, and let's say div dot co md4. Inside here we got the f dot checkbox, and we got is TV, and then we say space TV. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this one, let's say is kitchen. It's going to be kitchen. This one, let's say internet. All right, and I'll just copy this and create another row, except we have only 2 items. This one is hitting. This one is a, air conditioning. All right, let's make some break here. And we got another div, text center. Inside here, we got the f.submit. Save. The class would be btend and btend form. Save the file. Open our web browser. Now I want you to, let's say, create a room. We can select anything here and create my room. All right, first we just create a new room in a database, which is awesome. And as you can see, once we create the room successfully, it redirects to the room ID and the listing. If you go back to the room controller in the create, so after you create successfully, it redirect to listing room path, and it just path the room that we just create. So that's why we got room ID 1, because the room ID 1 we just created. All right, and then we got the nice size menu here. If you click pricing, oops, looks like we got an error. Let's see what's went wrong. Okay, we got a error syntax here. So let's go back here, open pricings, and I think I made a mistake for all of the other. So just copy this one first, make sure that you got underscore here, save the file, and go to amenities. Yeah, we need to fix that. Save, create should be fine, description, listing, okay, location, new should be fine, photos we don't have, the pricing shows fine, update. Okay, everything seems to good. Let's hit refresh. Yep, very nice description, listing summary, beautiful photos we don't have here, but that's fine. Amenities, yeah, location, beautiful. Well, that's a lot of work. I know this is a long videos and it's quite boring, but I really want you to get a feelings of you doing something by typing every single line of code. So in the next session, we'll be adding some style sheet to make our page look more elegant. We're going to fix the size menu here. I'll see you then.